So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to apply for sales tax permit in Florida. So first, you need to go to Florida Department of Revenue, which is under that you will see Florida Business Tax Application wherein you should log in. Just enter your username and password and you'll be able to click on the login button located at the bottom right corner. After that, you will redirect to this page wherein you will see the Florida Business Tax Application, which is when you create a new user profile, it will ask you that you may use this application for you to be able to register. And after that, when you scroll it down, you will see that it will ask for your username, confirm it, and email address, and confirm it again, and your password, and then confirm your password again, and then click on the create new user profile. So basically, this is the application that you will going to register your businesses to Florida. So basically, you could use this application and for you to able to get your certificate of registration on Florida, and you can now apply sales taxes permit. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.